Hey, it's Aaron, and we'll be going through the solution for the 6T puzzle. This puzzle is a level 6 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. Main goal of this puzzle is to put all of these T-shaped blocks inside of this container, flush to the inside of this groove. So, before I start packing all of these in here, I'm actually going to show you what the solution looks like outside of the puzzle. So what I'm going to have is one of these T-blocks standing up in the bottom. We'll have two on the sides like that. And then we'll have three just stacked up. And inserted like that. We can see that fits very easily inside of our box. So, to get started, we'll start packing those pieces in. And you can see that pretty good actually. So we put our back piece in. We'll just slide that in, over and down. And we'll do the same for the other side. And sometimes things get a little sticky, so give it a wiggle. You know the drill. So that's 6T solved. But I don't like to store my puzzles in a solved state because, I mean, someone takes it off the shelf, they can see the solution. And I like people to try to solve my puzzles when they come over. So I'll show you how I like to pack this back up. So we'll try to just get all these pieces out. Sorry I can't really... It's hard to show the camera with this step because it's just kind of hard to fill these out. You're fighting with gravity and whatnot. But it is exhilarating. Okay, there we go. So, I like to put my first piece in like this, and this is for an unsolved state at this point. And then I like to put another one in like so, and then I'm going to keep that gap in the middle. I'm going to take another T-block in the center, over and down, so it's at the side. And like that. And if you can remember when you bought the puzzle, they had a piece sticking out like so. And sometimes it kind of stays in place, sometimes it doesn't. I mean, you can either have it beside or use an elastic or maybe store it on its side, I don't know. But either way, that was 6T Puzzle. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.